Hello everyone, this is Avantree backseat tablet holder, and normally you fix it on the headrest. And today I'm going to show you how to use this tablet holder to use it for Nintendo Switch. This is a Nintendo Switch. Normally when kids are in the car, they remove this console so they can play, and then you put it on the holder. You do not put it in this way because this will be too wide for it. So what we suggest you to do, you move it to the horizontal level and then use this two button to pull it up a little bit. Do not all the way put it to the end, it will be too long and too loose. So pull a little bit and then use this spring force to securely tight the Nintendo Switch, okay? So like this. Then you will be fine, and you can turn it upside down and you can turn it to the vertical level, and kids will enjoy their journey and they will not come to bother you. Okay.